Hello everyone, my name is Max and welcome to my channel. We are in the Department of Analysis and today we want to learn how to express pain in French language. So let's enjoy this beautiful day together. And please, do not forget to support me by sharing and subscribing. A preview of what we are supposed to learn today together. Alright, as you already knew, today we want to talk about the pain. We actually want to learn how to express our pain in French language. Simply, we want to learn how to say, I have a headache, my hand hurts, my back hurts, and so on. To express pain in French language, there is a very simple formula which I want to share with you right now. It starts with subjective pronouns or any name you want, plus the verb to have, which is conjugated as j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont, plus the word mal, which means pain, plus one of these options, à la, au, à l, and once again, au. Well, these options might not be clear enough, but if you keep watching the video, you will find out. And the last component of this formula is the body part that feels the pain. And in case you're not familiar with body parts, you can check this video. Now let's get back to our question. Which of these options should we choose? Well, if the body part that hurts is a female noun, we need to choose à la. If the body part that hurts is a male noun, we need to choose e. If the body part that hurts starts with a vowel or h, we need to choose a l. And if the body parts that hurt are in plural, we need to choose the last option, e. Please notice that expressions like I have a headache or my hand hurts are the English way. In French language, we actually say I have pain in the head or you have pain in the legs or she has pain in the hand. That is how we express pain in French language. Now let's check a few examples together to understand how to use this formula in action. Imagine I want to say, I have a headache. Let's start. Je have, et. Together I would say, j'ai, plus the word pain, which was mal, plus à la, plus tête, which means head. Why did I choose à la? Well, because the word head, which was tête, is a female noun in French language. Next example. Her hand hurts. Guys, this is the English way. In French language, we had a simple formula. We need to transfer it to she has pain in the hand. Let's do it. She, elle, has a pain, mal. À la plus main, which means hand. Once again, why did I choose à la? Because the word main, which means hand, is a female noun in French language. Next one. His feet hurt. Once again, this is the English way. In French language, we say he has pain in the feet. Let's start. He, il, has A, pain, mal, E plus pied, which means feet. Why did I choose E? Well, because the word pied, which means feet, is a plural noun in French language, as it was in English. And the last example, your back hurts, which is equal to you have pain in the back. Now let's start. You, vous have, avez, pain. Mal plus e plus de, which means back. Why did I choose e? Because the word de is a male noun in French language. Now it's time for our new verbs. Let's start with to put or to place, which is mettre. Je mets. Tu mets. Il met. Elle met. On met. Nous mettons. Vous mettez. Ils mettent. Elles mettent. Next one, to eat. Manger. Je mange. Tu manges. Il mange. Elle mange. On mange. Nous mangeons. Vous mangez. Il mange. Elle mange. Alright, my friends, now it's time for a short conversation between you and I. If I tell you this is how we say ni in French language and it is a male noun, then how do you say my knee hurts? Exactly. We would say j'ai mal au genou. That was great. Next one. If this is how we say hand in French language and it's a female noun, then how do we say his hand hurts? We would say il a mal à la main. That was great. And the last example. If this is how we say nose in French language and it's a male noun, then how do you say your nose hurts informal? We would say tu as mal au nez. That was great, guys. Alright, my friends, thanks for watching and I hope you liked this episode. Please do not forget to support me by sharing and subscribing. If you want to learn about place of adjectives in French language, check this video. Thanks a lot, and I will see you next time!